Construction sites are dangerous working environments with many hazards. Large and dangerous machinery, working at height, and falling objects are just some of the dangers to workers at construction sites. However, some dangers are more hidden than others, like electrical faults, which can originate in virtually any electrical equipment used at construction sites. This can range from small, single-phase tools to large, three-phase machines that require more comprehensive electrical safety testing to make sure they are safe. And we know a thing or two about electrical safety testing at construction sites. Our solution is the MI3325 MultiServicerXD coupled with the A1422 testing adapter, a versatile combination that can be used for testing both single and three-phase electrical equipment, like three-phase PRCDs, which can be found at virtually any construction site. And it's easy to use. Connect the two together and then connect the tested electrical equipment to the adapter. Now all that is left to do is to start the appropriate auto sequence and let the MI3325 do everything for you. It's that simple. If you have many PRCDs to test and want to speed up the process, you can also use the A1722 PRCD adapter. With it, you can perform more comprehensive assessments and identify difficult-to-find faults in PRCDs that could introduce dangerous electrical potentials throughout the construction site. Whichever adapter you use, don't forget to save the results. You will need them when you will be preparing the electrical safety report. Repeat the whole procedure for all the PRCDs and other electrical equipment at the construction site. Next, we have the MI3288 Earth Insulation Tester, which can be used for testing earth bonding and continuity of grounding systems before they are covered with concrete, asphalt, or any other material, to make sure all the metal parts are properly interconnected, since any repairs would be difficult and costly. And the MI3288 Earth Insulation Tester makes testing this a breeze, as it's specifically designed for high-resolution testing of earth bonding and has a clever design feature that removes the need for test lead compensation. The best method for testing is, of course, the 4-wire Kelvin method. Coupled with the MI3288 tester's portability and ease of use, it can be used for testing even the largest and most expansive grounding systems and installations. Still, even with the MI3288, testing large system takes time, but can be made faster with assistance. They can help with laying test cables, connecting Crocodile clips to exposed metal parts, and checking the security of all connections. For everything else, you have the MI3288, which can be used for testing and measuring other parameters, and not just earth bonding, like touch voltages, insulation testing, and much more. When you're done testing, all that is left to do is to hit that save icon, pack everything up, and head back to the office and prepare a test report, detailing all the tests you have done. And, as always, remember, only competent personnel can ensure electrical safety and quality.